Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cyclic coordinates and Legendre transformation. First, we define cyclic coordinates. If Lagrangian L of a system does not contain a given coordinate qi, although it may contain its corresponding velocity qi dot, then the coordinate qi is called cyclic or ignorable coordinate. यानी अगर लैग्रेंजियन इक्वेशन के लिए एल के लिए जो हम इक्वेशन लिखेंगे उसमें अगर कोई कोऑर्डिनेट क्यू आई मिसिंग हो तो उस मिसिंग कोऑर्डिनेट को हम साइक्लिक या इग्नोरेबल कोऑर्डिनेट कहते हैं. The Lagrange's equation of motion is given as time derivative of partial L by partial Qi dot minus partial L by partial Qi equal to 0. If we suppose that coordinate Qi is cyclic, it means that partial L by partial Qi is equal to 0. If we suppose that Qi is a cyclic coordinate that is absent from the Lagrangian, then Lagrange's equation reduces to time derivative of partial L by partial Qi dot is equal to 0 because partial L by partial Qi is equal to 0. But from definition of generalized momentum, we know that Pi is equal to partial L by partial Qi dot. Definition of generalized momentum. So we can replace this partial L by partial Qi dot with Pi so that we have time derivative of Pi which can be written as Pi dot is equal to 0. When derivative is 0, then Pi must be constant. Let this constant is alpha I. Where alpha is to be evaluated from initial conditions. So whenever a coordinate Qi does not occur explicitly in Lagrangian function, the corresponding momentum Pi is a constant of motion. कि जब भी कोई कोऑर्डिनेट Qi लैग्रेंजियन में से मिसिंग होगा यानी साइक्लिक होगा तो उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग जनरलाइज मोमेंटम Pi वो कांस्टेंट होगा या कंजर्व होगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड द जनरल कंजर्वेशन थ्योरम. इसको हम इस तरह से भी स्टेट करते हैं, जनरलाइज मोमेंटम conjugate to a cyclic coordinate is conserved. या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि if a coordinate Qi is cyclic from Lagrangian, then its corresponding momentum Pi will be constant or conserved. या इसको हम यूं भी कह सकते हैं generalized momentum conjugate to a cyclic coordinate is conserved. As we know that Hamiltonian H is defined as summation IPi Qi dot minus L. So you can see that the coordinate which is missing from L will also be missing from H because the first term does not contain Qi. Pi Qi dot, momentum and velocity, not coordinate. So if coordinate is missing from L, it will also be missing from H. So a coordinate that is cyclic will also be absent from Hamiltonian. So according to Hamilton's equation, Pi dot is equal to minus partial H by partial Qi. As Qi is cyclic, then partial H by partial Qi must be 0. So that this equation can be written as Pi dot is equal to 0. Or Pi is constant. It means that when partial h by partial qi is equal to 0, then qi is cyclic or h is constant of motion. Pi is constant with respect to qi. So when partial h by partial qi is equal to 0, it means pi is equal to constant. If qi is cyclic, absent from h, then pi, generalized momentum, is constant with respect to qi. Or if pi is constant with respect to qi, then qi is cyclic, that it will be absent from h. Conversely, if a generalized coordinate qi does not occur in h, then conjugate momentum pi is conserved, as h is a function of pi qit, or can be written as p1 pq1 q1 time. And if qi is absent from h, then partial h by partial qi is equal to 0, or minus partial h by partial qi is equal to 0, because the Hamilton equation is pi dot is equal to minus h by partial qi. So we can write pi dot is equal to 0. It means pi is equal to constant. This shows that generalized momentum pi is conserved. Now Lagrangian is given as L is equal to q1, q2, qn, q1 dot, q2 dot, qn dot time. If nth coordinate qn is absent, then Lagrangian L becomes q1, qn minus 1, q1 dot, q2 dot, qn dot time. As well as Hamilton H can be written as P1, P2, Pn minus 1, Pn, Q1, Q2, Qn minus 1 T, where Pn is equal to Pi equal to alpha, for I is equal to n. Then Pn minus 1 is equal to partial H by partial Qn minus 1. Pn is equal to Pi and Pi is equal to alpha, for I is equal to n. So we can write Pn minus 1 dot is equal to minus partial H by partial Qn minus 1 from the Hamilton equation. So equation 2 is the form of Hamiltonian cyclic coordinates. The form of Hamilton's equation in this case is Qn dot is equal to partial H by partial Pn. आप Pn की जगह हम अल्फा लिख सकते हैं, partial H by partial alpha. इसकी importance, it may be noted that Hamiltonian procedure is especially adopted to the treatment of problems involving cyclic coordinates. क्योंकि cyclic coordinates का मतलब है कि coordinates कम हो जाएंगे, मिसिंग होंगे H से या Lagrangian L से. तो जितने कम coordinates से हमारा वास्ता पड़ेगा, प्रॉब्लम उतना आसान होगा.